let's install react-native-dotenv. npm install, it has to be installed as a dev dependency, so -d react-native-dotenv. Now if you try to install it as a regular dependency, it's going to start trying to add things like path and fs and things that are not really supposed to be added to your React Native project. But since it's a Babel library, we do need to add it as a plugin here. So plugins module at actually don't forget there's 2 sets of brackets for plugins. So before we add that, we'll do that. react-native-dotenv. Next, let's create our .env file. We'll save that .env, and we'll say test var equals testing. Actually, we'll call it test message. So test message, hi. And then in our app.tsx, I'm going to create another text object. Remember, this is React Native, so it's not regular HTML. And we'll do process.env.testMessage. And then we'll compile that and see what happens. So the first thing we'll see is that there is an error. It's not showing up. The reason why is that Babel does not look for changes in your .env file. What I mean is Babel actually caches everything that you write, JavaScript, TypeScript, etc. And when you make changes in it, then when you recompile, it makes sure to recompile those parts and it caches the rest. Unfortunately, .env files are cached. So in order to actually tell Babel to check for changes, you have to invalidate the cache. So let's go do that. First thing we have to do is let's close our current server instances that are running. And let's find our package.json. And where we have our start and Android, well, we'll do through start. So I'll make a copy of start. And then I'll actually just add a short word. I'll say reset. And at the end, I'll add a flag. Reset cache. Now let's run that. npm run start reset. And it should bring up the server and we can rerun the app.